Be sure to be safe. Always wear safety glasses and keep your work area well lit and tidy. Never touch or handle a pump when it's plugged in with wet hands or on a damp surface. This portable utility pump can be a real lifesaver. It can be used to pump standing water out of basements or even powering a water feature in your backyard pond. To operate the pump, simply place the unit on a solid surface, such as a concrete block or floor. Consider raising the pump to reduce debris and dirt entering the pump. Once you've placed the pump, attach your hose or piping to the threaded discharge port on the top of the unit. Route the garden hose or piping appropriately to avoid kinks. To start using the pump, it needs to be placed in at least 2 inches of water to properly prime and operate. Finally, to begin operation, simply plug the pump into a grounded outlet. Be sure to monitor the pump during operation and ensure that you don't operate the pump without water, as this can damage your pump. If water stops coming out of the discharge hose, stop the pump immediately. If the pump fails to prime, tilt the pump on its side, then back up to release any air that may be trapped inside. If you have any issues, refer to the owner's manual for troubleshooting tips or call our technical support team for help. Be safe and enjoy this 4/10 horsepower submersible waterfall utility pump.
So tell me, Charles, what do we have here?
Kevin, I have a situation where we have a 15-gallon fish tank that needs to be cleaned. 15 gallons is 120 pounds. It's a little too risky for me to carry around my house to clean out. So what I actually have here is a 115-volt transfer pump. This pump comes complete with a 6-foot cord to make water removal easier, and it also comes complete with a suction attachment. And this is great for getting water in very low-lying, tough-to-get areas. It actually helps keep that and get that water out to where you want it. Another little secret we have with this pump is that by this design, if you can just put a little bit of a household product, a little vegetable oil, into this, it just makes the pump run a lot smoother and cleaner and actually helps it prime. Because with this pump, it's actually an oil-free design, so it just helps lubricate the actual bearings.
Why is Wayne the most trusted name in sump pumps? 3 reasons. Tested to 1 million cycles. Assembled in the USA. Ultra-quiet operation. The combination of our energy-efficient motors, premium components, and proprietary integrated float switch have engineered the most reliable sump pumps on the market. Wayne sump pumps are tested to 1 million cycles in rapid cycle testing conducted by a nationally recognized testing laboratory and analyzed by an independent analysis expert. All Wayne sump pumps are assembled here, right here in the USA, for best-in-class quality. Our reliable line of submersible sump pumps are designed to fit in any application with a standard 1.5-inch NPT discharge. The durable CDU series, with epoxy-coated body and cast iron base, are available in 1/3 and 1/2 horsepower and can move up to 5,100 gallons per hour. Also available in 1/3 horsepower and 1/2 horsepower. The professional-grade, all-cast iron construction of the CI CDU series will be the reliable high-performance addition to any home. Our top-of-the-line CDU models with premium corrosion-resistant stainless steel are available in 3/4 horsepower and 1 horsepower designs for maximum pumping power of 6,100 gallons per hour and come back with our highest limited warranty of 5 years. Wayne pumps are also the hardest working pumps you'll never hear. Engineered with premium energy-efficient motors, carbon ceramic seals, and dual rolling element bearings. And Wayne's unique top suction technology, which is critical in a sump application to filter debris to minimize clogging and eliminate air locking. No air locking means no need to drill a weep hole, so no fountain in the basement or gurgling sounds like ordinary pump designs. Tested to 1 million cycles. Assembled in the USA. Ultra-quiet performance. Everything your home needs down in the basement. All from Wayne. Durable, reliable, worry-free. The most trusted name in pumps. Get yours today.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.